I have over 5 million views on my YouTube channel. I've published over 500 videos and I haven't burnt out because I use these 14 must-have tools for new YouTubers. Before we get into the tools, let's break down what you really need to run a YouTube business on autopilot and still make money. You need 3 things. You need an offer, you need an email list, and you need traffic to send to that offer. All the tools I'm going to show you today help you save time to maximize these 3 core fundamentals that you need for a successful YouTube business. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. You need to learn how to walk before you can learn how to run. Let's get into the 14 must-have tools for new YouTubers. First and most important, you need a place to sell your offer. The best place to do this is with Gumroad. Gumroad is simple and easy to use, and there's no other tool out there that will get you started faster than Gumroad will. And we're all about saving you time at the beginning of your YouTube journey. Once we have our offer set up, you need a website. You need a home base for your brand. For this, we recommend Card. Simple, easy to use to get your first page website with a landing page live as quickly and easily as possible. They have some great simple and easy to use templates that are super responsive and look professional. Once you have your offer and your landing page set up and ready to go, you need to start building your email list. My biggest regret in my YouTube journey is starting my email list too late. So my advice to you is to start your email list today. You can get started with ConvertKit and set up a simple capture form so that you can start growing your own audience online that you actually own. Now that we have our email list up and running, we need to start sending traffic to it so we can grow our email list. To do this, we need to make videos and publish them on YouTube. Without this, nothing else works. Our YouTube business does not exist. We use DaVinci Resolve. It's a great free editing program that'll save you so much time getting you started quickly and easily into a seamless editing process. Once you've created your awesome videos, we need to get people to click on them. So we need a really good title and we need good thumbnails that have great clickability. Canva is our go-to tool for creating thumbnails. It's easy to use and their templates are a great time saver. Once you've created your thumbnail, your job is not done. You then need to head over to Thumbsup TV and check how the thumbnail is going to look on different devices. We need to see how it's going to look on mobile, on tablets, on computers, and even on TVs. And the great thing about Thumbsup TV is it shows you your thumbnail in different sizes, in different places of how it's going to appear all over YouTube. So you can see, does it work in small things? Does it work on big screens like an Apple TV? And you can analyze how it looks, reads, and whether it's still clickable, big, small, medium, any size that it comes in. To nail down our video title, we use ChatGPT to research good topics and titles that are working right now on YouTube. We really want to nail down the words that we use in our title to encourage curiosity and get more people to click and start watching our videos. You should only use it to gather ideas and spark your imagination. Always use your creativity to come up with a final video title. This is what's going to keep you unique and relevant as more and more people use tools like ChatGPT. You don't want to get lost in all of the noise. Stay relevant, stay unique, use your own perspective to craft your titles. To keep your videos on schedule and make sure you can keep publishing videos, Notion is the best place to manage the workflow of your video creation process. Breaking down the massive task of creating videos into smaller subtasks makes it feel much easier and will help you feel less overwhelmed, making you less likely to procrastinate making your videos. If you don't publish any videos, you'll never get any traffic. Once you have good, consistent traffic coming in, people want to start talking to you and booking appointments with you. Save yourself hours by using Calendly to give your audience options of when they can book a call with you. It's like having a personal assistant, making all your appointments. It's wonderful. Script writing is essential to do with as little distractions as possible. That's why we use Google Docs to write the scripts for these YouTube videos. Now we need to analyze our analytics and data from the videos that we've published to see what's working and what's not working. You can run some A/B tests on thumbnails. Our go-to tool for this is TubeBuddy. You can also use TubeBuddy to do some keyword research if you want to rank your videos inside of YouTube search. An easily forgotten part of the video creation process is sound design. Don't shortchange yourself here. Epidemic Sound has an amazing sound library of great songs and vibey sound effects. Most people don't take the time to do sound design on their videos. If you do, you'll be way ahead of the pack. To go with your sound design, you also need some epic B-roll. There's some great places you can get B-roll from. Our go-to tool is Pixels. We use Pixels to find great stock video that we can use as B-roll to pair together really well with our sound effects to keep our audience engaged and entertained. Then we have one of my favorite tools, Loom, that we use to create screen recording videos just like this one. It's quick and easy and allows you to do screen walkthroughs with your face recorded in the corner so you can still connect with your audience. It's a great way to share your screen and share what you actually do step by step so that your audience can follow along with you. And the most important tool you need is you and your focus. Where your focus goes, your energy will flow. Nothing will happen without focus. Get rid of distractions and get to work creating videos that will add value to your audience and grow your YouTube channel. If you have any tools that you think we should add to the list, let us know in the comments down below and we'll add them onto our must-have tools for new YouTubers. If you're ready to get started finding your niche for your YouTube channel, then check out the next video where we walk you through our Notion Niche Finder system, and you can also download a free template. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.